Here I've inserted the 5 cards. Yes, you can see it. You can add any card of your choice. Added the 5 card. You don't need to save here actually. So you must give space when adding your card. You go through your YT Studio to add your card. Thank you so much. So let's start it now. Good day to you wherever you may be. I greet you all. Yes, so I'm going to be teaching you how to add your card and your end screen to your video. That is why we are here today. Yes, so if you have any question, just comment below so that we'll continue the gist over there. We'll continue it over there. So you go through your YT Studio to add your end card, your end screen, sorry, and your cards through your YT Studio. Actually, you can use your phone. I was told you can only use laptop, but you can use your phone. I use my phone. My laptop has been under surgery over 6 months now, so I use my phone to do it. So this is it. You go from your video manager. After your dashboard on your YT Studio, then you go on to check the particular video you want to add card to or put end screen. So that is how you do it. Actually, here I'm checking for the video because most of my video already have cards and end screen. So I'm looking for the particular video that don't have. So that is why you are seeing me scrolling up and down like that. Oh, it is well. So I've clicked on a particular video now, so I'm going to be adding the cards to it. Your card, you don't need to save it actually, but your end screen, when you want to add your end screen, you must save that one. And when adding your card, try to give space. Yes, when you are shifting the arrow. So you put any video of your choice. It depends. Some people will tell you to do it in a particular way, but this is the way I do mine. So I go to my video to click on a particular video and add it to my card. This is another way that can also help us as content creators. Not that I'm trying to say with this you have enough views, but it will help us. It will make your upload or your video more standard. Yes. So I've added 3. I have 2 left. It depends. Some people do add 3, some do add 2, some do add 4. It depends on what you want, depends on your choice. But because I'm carrying out these tutorials, I'm adding the 5 so that we know it. In case you don't get it, that is why I'm here for you. Please let me know. Comment below so that we can do it together. But if you say you don't want to comment, you can check me on my Facebook or my IG. Yes, it's still the same name, Feb Square Enehizena, but YouTube is just Feb Square TV. But on my Facebook and IG is Feb Square Enehizena, so we can chat there. We need to do it the right way. We need to move on. God will continue to strengthen us. So this is it. I'm just trying to add it. Don't mind the way the way I'm doing it. I never knew, but I said if I don't upload this, I might not upload it again. I just needed to do it because of a friend that requested it. And I said if I am able to do it, other people will also benefit from it. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for staying till now to watch. If you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you for telling us to move on, to push on. And here we are going. We never gave up. Thank you so much for your encouragement. We are blessed to meet with you guys. We are so happy. So this is it. We keep going. You can decide to choose your playlist if you want. Yes, choose your playlist or any of your video. So this is it. Thank you so much. I hope I'll be able to help one person out there. Thank you so much. So we'll continue the rest gist on the comment section. Don't mind the noise. Thank you. Bye. Take care of yourself. I love you. Bye. Thank you so much.